happy to be here. It's Crazy Boy. Thank you, my brother. Thank you.
It's all good.
You know, he's a man with words, you know, and he saw me and KOD, he told me like, Marcio, I'm gonna bring you to Mongolia. I said, yeah, it's okay, you know, a lot of people talk.
I'm the guy.
I'm gonna bring you. Yeah, I was like, okay, you're gonna bring me, I hope so. And we talk, and today I'm here, so, you know, like, I'm really grateful, I'm really happy to be here. And I hope everyone can come to practice. It's like, I'm not gonna teach, I'm here just to help you, you know, like, because if I come here to say I'm a teach, that means that I know more than everyone, you know, I don't know more than everyone. I'm a young dancer, I danced for 5 years. So for me, I'm still learning and practice, so I'm really happy to be here, yeah. I will say thank you and baila.
Ladies and gentlemen.
-8. You know what I'm saying? -8. You know how cold is that? Yo, what's up? Day 2, I'm ready. Last night was crazy trying to sleep because the timing, but I'm cool. Now we go to watch some museum, and then we have an interview, and then we start with workshops, but before that, let's just see the museum's interview, yeah?
Just noise, white noise, just noise, white noise. I'm hearing static. You're
Too
like
cold for the brother.
automatic. You just wanna keep me on repeat and hear me crying. Just noise, white noise, yeah. Just noise, white noise. I'm hearing static. You're like an automatic. You just wanna keep me on repeat and hear me crying. It's just gonna hit my back. 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 It's just gonna hit my back.
You know, this morning is about that, it's about learn about the culture. Yesterday, Medina, I eat some ores, you know. Jaja eat the eye of a sheep or something like that, I don't know. Yo, so there we are. VS, all about brown, sister, I don't know. Check that with.
Such a shame, you frame me with such disdain. You got me washed out, color drain. Lately I've been thinking, if you wanna get tough, then let's play rough. Lately I've been thinking, if you wanna get tough, then let's play rough.
But today in the morning I just wake up. It's so amazing that here you can see NBA in the morning. It's not compared with London, Denmark. You can see NBA like 2 a.m.
They're just gonna hit my back. They're just gonna hit my back. They're just gonna hit my back. They're just gonna hit my back.
I feel about being here. Pretty nice. It's really different, you know, like normally when you travel, you teach and like you film for the event. Here in Mongolia, the fact that I'm the first international hip hop dancer coming out, they're really in about what I'm gonna do. So, you know, before the workshop, I'm just gonna be sure that I have my foundation tight, the story, the knowledge, so I can be, you know, like give the right information to everyone, and that's what it is.
You're just gonna hit my back. You're just gonna hit my back. You're just gonna hit my
I'll sacrifice for you. I'll even do all for you.
It's crazy. Monks, you know what I'm saying? Then we go to Tibet. Pretty close. Do you wanna see pigeons? You wanna see pigeons? Look, a big family there.
Do all the things for you. I'll even do all for you. If you want it, be forever. And if you got it, be forever.
This shit is crazy. I don't know what's the deal with these people with pigeons. I just know they love pigeons. One of the best things I saw in my life. Really amazing. So it's done. My first visit, to be honest, was really good, spiritual good. You know, like I grew up. My mom is really a religion person, my grandmother too, so I always grew up around this religious feeling. No, it's not like because I pray everything's gonna be perfect or good, but you know, like it's just to say thank you for another day of life, healthy and everything. So you know, thank you so much. Yeah. Now we go for the first workshop. I heard is more than 40 people there, so you know, let's confirm, let's see what's happening. Yeah.
bitch nigga be like, oh my god.